How to fix Focusrite Scarlett no hardware connected issue. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is, if you are not able to see your Focusrite interface in the Focusrite control, you may see one of the two error messages. The first is no hardware connected and no hardware detected. So troubleshooting instructions for these errors are at the bottom of this article, but please check all of the following compatibility information first to ensure you are using the correct software and hardware. So you just have to follow these instructions, but in order to do the fixing of this problem, you just have to click on it, and then you just have to select the Windows if you are using Windows. So on the Windows system, you can look the in device manager to check your interface is being listed correctly. To access this, you just have to right click on the icon and then go to the device manager. Focusrite interfaces should appear under both sound, video and game controller and Focusrite audio. It is look something like this, so you can go through this. After that, you just have to follow these instructions that are given on this page. I will put the link of this page down in the description, so you just have to follow the instructions as presented on this page. If you are using the Mac operating system, then you just have to click on this section and you just have to follow the steps that are given on this page. If there is no hardware detected problem, then you can also click on this option and you can try the methods as per your own operating system. So I would recommend you to come to this user manual and follow the steps in order to fix the hardware not connected issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.